Yo guys, it's Taylor from here for Backwoods Boys, and today we have a gun review. First hang on. 1 second. So, this is my gun. It's a 50 caliber muzzleloader. Break it down. Look at that. Alright, I got some facts for you. Did you know the muzzleloader is any firearm which the projectile and usually the propellant charge is loaded through the muzzle of the gun? That's a fact. Google it. Anyways, I got a whole book of stuff. I have the inventor. Bet you didn't know this. It was invented by some French guy named Marin Lee Bourgeois. He's a French artist and the inventor of a flintlock mechanism. And it was in between the years of 1550 and 1634, aka the Renaissance. Anyways, loading. So here we go. This will be fun. Loading. Okay. In order for me to open the trigger assembly, press this down. This comes out. So that's where your primer will go. So okay. So first you'll need your muzzleloader pellets. You'll need muzzleloader bullets. Some right here. They're 50 caliber, 250 grain bullets. These are shockwaves. You'll need those. You'll need primers, and you'll need a packing rod. So first off, you start by taking 2 pellets, and be sure not to touch them because it may alter the effects of the shot. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a pipe cleaner or some type of rod, take it in here, let it slide down the barrel. Next you put in a bullet, one of these things, so make it slide down the barrel. Then take this. Okay. And then you're gonna slide it down. Sorry. You're gonna slide it down until it reaches the bottom. And then you're gonna pack it tight. And do that. But usually you add a extra extension to this so you can pack it down farther. So, and be sure to add an etching into your, call it your jam rod. Be sure to add an etching to where it meets flush with your barrel, the tip of the barrel, or the inner side of your barrel. Sorry. Then what you're going to do is once that is all jammed tight, break the trigger assembly open. Pack your primer. Be sure to aim at a sturdy surface and fire the trigger. Well, you gotta pull the hammer back. So that is it for today's video.